Okay guys, so let's move to the lab and see how we manage the short-term and long-term policies, how we see them, how to manage the ADRCI, and how to see set the oracles homes for ADRCI, different oracle homes. Okay, so let's move to the lab. Okay, so here, okay, I'm inside Oracle server. You see, my Oracle home is set, and if I set the Oracle environment sales one, okay. So if I go inside SQL plus, okay, I need to I can view this to see all the diag info. Okay, after this you'll see diag enabled. You can enable make it false as well. Oracle ADR does not manage the diag policy set by Oracle. Okay, at all. ADR base is this, or ADR home is this, sales 1T1. If you have multiple homes, you can for particular Oracle home, it will show you, it will be different. Okay, there are some other environment, then it will see like you will see like that. Trace file, trace location is this, alert location is this. So you see all the info here. Okay, so what next? We'll go to the ADRCI to see how Oracle manages the ADRCI, automatic diagnostic repository. Okay, so for that you need to exit out from your SQL uh, Oracle, and here you are. Okay, so your directories, your current directory is Oracle home. It's set. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to use ADRCI. Okay, by this you enter into automatic ADRCI, automatic diagnostic repository, and here you can use the commands for this ADRCI. If you have different homes, you can use this show homes. Then you see there are a lot of homes here the defined. Okay, and then you can set the home path for sales one. You see, if I'm using sales one, I can set the home path this. If I'm using something else, I can use the set home path this. You can you use the command set home path and the path of that home, and then you can use the command show trace files. By this you will see the after setting the home path you'll use this command, and then you'll see the trace files of only that Oracle home. So, okay, I have used show trace files. My Oracle home is already set to sales one, so I'll see all the trace files for sales. It will take some time. Okay, so this will show you. Just go to the other commands then. Okay, if you want to view a particular file, you will use file file name of that. Okay, show trace file and that file. Okay, you see, oh, it is showing you all the I have not set the home path, so now let me see the home path in ADRCI. If you have multiple Oracle homes, it will show you like that. Okay, so I have set the Oracle home, and then if I see the trace files, it will show the trace files of your defined desired uh, Oracle home only. Okay, for that particular environment or whatever you say. Okay, so it will show you the trace files of sales one T1. Okay, so how to see what are the short-term policy and what are the long-term policies are there? Show control. This is the command you need to see. Okay, so you see this is the ID, Short-term policy is 720, long-term policy is 8760. The default values, you can change it. Okay, if you want to disable it, you can use it 0. Here is it 0. This is the last time. So you'll see all these things. Okay, and you can manage ADRCI using this. Okay, so that's all about ADRCI. That's very important if you want to use Oracle's uh, tool, Oracle's inbuilt process for managing your trace files. This is managing trace files. This is purging all your trace files after 30 days. If you want to uh, change it, you can use it, change it, and you can set that to I showed you that in the uh, here. If you want to change it, you can set control short p policy to 360 days or whatever you want. Okay, it will delete the trace files after that much hours. Okay, so that's all for the short-term policy. For long-term policy, how to view the control, how to view the ADRCI control settings, how to view the configuration of that. You can you can use some other commands, but these are the main commands you can use. Okay, so that's all, and I'll be seeing you in our next video or next topic soon. Thank you. Bye bye.